with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Well, Kristen was just saying she had to do her outside shoot in Virginia this morning, and the winds were really gusting, and they were blowing her around pretty good because she's kind of tall and kind of thin, not short and stout like some of us other folks here. Well, you need to be shorter and stouter because of the winds today, and they're continuing tonight. Still looking at a gale warning for all of Lake Superior now, not just the western side here. So over the lake, winds westerly, northwesterly could go up towards 30 miles per hour, and even inland 10 to 20, not out of the question. So again, hold on to your hats tonight. Hopefully things will ease up come tomorrow. I do think it's going to be a fairly calm, if not overly mild weekend. Temperatures may be a little bit on the cool side, but the winds will slack off, and the sky will try to punch a couple of holes in the clouds. Clouds will be thickening tonight, so this beautiful scene you see in downtown Duluth right now, it won't last forever. Neither will the current conditions, which at this snapshot of our life say it's 25 degrees at the airport, 53% for the relative humidity. Westerly northwesterly wind is going 17 miles per hour, and our air pressure is up there now today, 1,027 millibars, and that helps squash the clouds pretty well. Tomorrow they'll try to weasel back in, and then once we get into Sunday, they'll start to get thick again in advance of our next chance of precip. Right now, though, earlier in the day, we did have a few scattered snow showers popping up here and there, and a fair amount of ground clutter, too, popping up on the Duluth Doppler Center here as well. A little bit of lighter snows did try to linger towards Grand Forks, but a lot of this didn't even touch the ground. Tonight, clouds on the increase very slowly indeed, as higher pressure tries to take over the region, but it's not going to be a really firm high pressure system. So our forecast on Saturday says partly sunny sky, but it should be dry, as the oomph the high does have keeps this bigger low pressure system at bay. And this is the one we talked about yesterday. That's bringing plenty of snow to the mountains in Montana and even Wyoming and Idaho. By the time it gets here after Sunday it'll increase our clouds, but it won't be bringing any snow here till maybe after sunset. Monday is the day when this low might bring us a chance for some snow, but it should be pretty exhausted by the time it gets here. It'll leave most of the snow in the mountains, and just lighter stuff will come our way. So Sunday night into Monday, maybe into Tuesday morning, snow totals around here could look like this. We might run the 1 to 3 inch range here once we get into Tuesday, but compared to the 8 to 14 they could be getting in the mountains, I guess we're getting off pretty well. Tonight, here's what we get for the temperatures. Cool inland northern Minnesota. Kristen, bundle up tonight. Get Louie the dog in his little fur jammies too. 4 above towards border country, 7 in your neck of the woods, Kristen, the Hibbing-Chisholm area. Then for the rest of us, running about 8 to 15 into Minnesota, out of Minnesota into Wisconsin, warmer there. 12 in Superior to as warm as 18 towards Wakefield. Mostly cloudy sky is what we get above for every town. And then for tomorrow, partial sunshine, Wisconsin, Michigan, high temps 28 to 32. That's a little bit cooler than normal. Minnesota high temps might run from 27 near International Falls to 31 by Moose Lake. That's a hair cooler than normal with a partly sunny sky. And now with the extended forecast, that's a live look of the Brainerd area there. And off to the west, it's fair weather there as well, which is a sign it'll stick around here too, at least through Sunday. Monday, we get a 60% chance for that 1 to 3 inches of snow, and then it settles down on Tuesday. A couple of flurries might tease us on Wednesday. Another sunnier period comes in on Thursday, followed by a 40% chance for more snow by next Friday. So bottom line is for the week ahead, Anthony and Kristen and Kelly in the wings. Not overly warm, not overly snowy either, but on a couple of days we may have to drive just a little cautiously.
Seems par for the course.